Meaning of grudge.
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 Grudge. The word grudge refers to a feeling of resentment or ill will towards someone because of a past offense or wrongdoing. It is often a lingering feeling that can cause animosity and tension in a relationship. Holding a grudge can cause negative emotions and thoughts, leading to a decrease in overall well-being. It is important to acknowledge and address these feelings in order to move past them and let go of the negative energy associated with holding a grudge. Ultimately, releasing grudges can lead to a more positive and fulfilling life.